many would the Nkwantannanso na me call lawyer Nicholas Osei Darkwa honomo or a private legal practitioner. Na said them come on many word my head the emrano so eka. Especially with the bill na die off with the 8th parliament any nediaba any changes na abano na yenhwe the emrano enso eka lawyer me what to say
boko uzo
nyame adom me ho ye pa na me no hia me nya wan mani adwo me nyima de krontia say law school na person me ko no say den yo we are new media me ne kuma se for asantuma ne Ghana me nyina ye da wase pa say wagebre na woni ebetwetwe enkomo Ghana's parliament officially passed the reintroduced and revised Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 on May 29, 2026. But the Abema and Abe Kasabubujano incorporated crucial amendments were altered in the previous 2024 version. First, Mami Mbisa from you. I think the Abe issues is here amendment na abano. The initial issue was say abind that die NPP abind one sign. But you may remember even John Doman Mama Kwad na not say the bill even couldn't get to the president. Na kampesa was sign in the process of say obedun hokrama sentence ena a court. He couldn't have defied the Supreme Court ruling say and before say banana wateki yen hwemfiri omo emesi nei yenunti wantimi ansan ama 8th parliament any sa bill no nyina offer ya reintroduce reintroduce no so no it has come with changes or revisions nay opposition free say MPP for NDC for ye hypocrite na mo free say yetimi ye revision near pass adan na omo time na mo push omo say chinchina omo sign the no even when they wanted to make revision you kick against it and they mo revise be catch Ghana for say we any bill na mo free say no mo free say or they haven't been fair to Ghanaians. You as a lawyer sign on whom all these developments.
Well,
Opemsuo
for the opportunity no and Mr. Chiweti for so to answer in a straightforward manner before we do the explanation is that I don't see this as deception. I may sound controversial, but I don't see this as deception.
You must be into us in a moment. Won't find say NDC for Adada Ghana for okay.
No, I don't take it that way. However, it depends on how you want to look at it.
And
for instance,
and if I train you, bro,
what
Opemsuo
also pitching here on one side. Honestly, come on side. Do you get it? That's it. Waba. Obayen. Saying the best person say, buy a going free. Not from the corner there. No sign. It's not a man for formality. Honestly. Now, and Kawasai and Amboa. That aspect now, the fee say, yeah, the government has been what? Dishonest. Especially when President Mahama Eka said bread and butter issues are the most important.
Yeah.
And yet this one. Yes, and then when you were campaigning, if you had said this, do you think certain people would have voted for you?
Yeah, no,
some are not open for votes.
Yeah.
And Abeka said bread and butter issues are the most important.
Debbie.
So that aside, the 2025-2026 version is the most cleaner. And also what prosecution is easier than the first one.
Okay. I think some beef for the NPP for no free say. It said the John Domani Mama say bread and butter issues ni here Ghana for no. You did to so cross say Obeka say bread and butter issues ni here Ghana for at the time you go to a bank Ghana for tomano. No so no free say na unim say who cancer bread and butter issues in Ghana for yen tumawa adena LGBTQ ebeye campaign na
exactly.
Yeah they are to abamont on free say John Dramani Mahama and the NDC have been dishonest to Ghanaians or with Ghanaians
a person may not be entirely wrong.
Okay, because and just or chatro.
No. However, say the partisan politics in country. Now we should be on Nabande. Now to compare the we say we not so and first one. Yes. The only controversial part that a subverting family values aspect one year through entirely. What is it? Because the honor was too controversial. What is it? A honor. And two social old one at home. Old one. And yet a new mobile boss who many one punish you. And you know, a bit more become so allow you. What is it? The way they are very limited scoop. Limited scoop. But who should move critically? Still now, a punish it. The repayment we free, but in a more controlled sense.
Okay.
What is it? And it's not because but when you more pain, and I will so when you that I explanation better, and I will not follow the legislative drafting. If I got a so and say ram. When you follow better than the old one. Just that, and like you said earlier, because now you are the trainer about essentially say you be free. Now then one because if you want to be fair to Akufo-Addo, Akufo-Addo will raise those similar concepts. So the current form it suffer a lot of constitutional challenges.
Say the entire Akufo-Addo no case one sign or na say e beduru anim kra but said the identity no e be ma ye ho akyen wo ye mrasem no.
Akufo implement the issue but the be a lokra no Emma Todes, we see more, and no white team. What is it? About white one. However, what can run a broke in Baku? How do we say? And they go and turn to a win, turn to a win. Still, now, it still has teeth. That can bite. But also, we are not good in implementing laws. We are good in just coming up with it. Because on natural canon knowledge, it has been in our books since the 60s.
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, private. It's quite private.
Yeah.
People being the year of but the other, Ekoyama and 17, I say, Nick cannot air by each of say they were boldly propagating it. That bold propagation, as I said. Who's the first one? Can put from Katra?
Yeah, now, man, for this will be Tisakra, and when Timikra and Castle is afraid, or Mutimikra party. Or be a center cry. And the party in Kwansan, so say, go to a time swap. I say, they were making it a human rights. I see, also they were now forcing it on the neck of the people. Say, yes, Nipa, yes, your whole coin. Your whole coin. In the sense, they wanted even our education system to be reformed in a manner that teaches our kids these values. Some can cry with cry and fan church or more. Now, we know say, obey an hour yet. Obey an hour yet. There is that, Oshe, Emra, a punish conduct. Not identity per se. For instance, Susan, who's any or a Cosibitiam, and that's so crowd or honey. Who's there? They did not choose to be born in that way. Yeah, Bobo, no, on a man of boom crew. Because me, Jason, and my dear does a chain, and my didn't. What I say, it will be isn't any fortana. So, all the man Baba Palestina, are you being fair? They get it. You want the balance aspect. Yeah. That is there. And you watch the social aspect. So, go there. Honestly, master, I feel like sleeping with a man. Not that in my nature, no. Sanity. Or per se, but the bisexual, no, but I'm testing in already. What I say? Yeah. And our society, so no. Your morals. You're not be a guiding behavior. What I say? Yeah. Because me think I say me call the same book on until or say book on. But that I say. And I say bo ye bo me ne bo me kronfo nti munya me na me mokro no.
Exactly. It was over acting now. Old one said it was about 20 sections.
Yeah.
Provisions.
Yeah, about 22 provisions revised. Now they have about 31 insertions.
Yes. But the bottom line is that we are 20 sections, we are 19. The substantive one every year. That's of venting aspect.
Okay.
Say, also they made it very broad. So facilitate all that kind of stuff. To the sense that we electoral planning can watch right. Now we say, the first from the perspective of India Hana. Idea. Let's say you in academia, you try not to place value, but you try to explain why the thing is the way it is.
Who could be no kakra na no kunyasem.
Okay, old law na. What does it? It's new law, no. I try to lead down.
Even immunities for professionals now. Parliament inserted protection to exempt specific professionals from criminal liability while performing their regular duties, or the healthcare professionals, legal pro. Say, Kawunim now obinya LGBTQ even now the go or court no be fast we and lawyer now ko gina ho pe now say ye be chiwato.
But this current one has slowed down.
Yeah.
It has slowed down a little bit. And the bottom line is that now I'm saying sorry artisan this one is more clear.
Yeah.
What does it?
Yeah.
And okay we say so now. What's about now? Offense, in terms of punishment, in terms of punishment, it's just telling me, yes, we're not adopting, yeah.
More like a more civil way of dealing with things. Hello, lawyer. Hello. I think that line not high. Me try say. Menya lawyer Nicholas Darkwa biomna masan amano atoa enkomo ne so amaye line no mesan trabi menya lawyer meni no ebehwe na yawie na me pese wunya munti ase nyina wotie de lawyer kana senke yi politics ato ncha na je se we no ya so ne so ayi afri mu menya lawyer biom lawyer mesan emo akwaba na line no ha adwene
yeah but you see what me ka
yeah very clearly.
So the point I'm trying to make is that say the excessive partisanship to me this is a better law than the old one.
Okay.
This is a better law than the old one. In terms of how easy prosecutors will have it in doing their prosecutions. And I will say so what culture definitions is better. And you external aid to come and interpret what bisexual is.
Why specific on one or two things? Yeah, but be a controversial vague biano or beam.
So one definitions within the body of the law.
Okay.
And that one is easier than where you have to resort to external materials. And that one either open setup or closes it up or allows people to abuse the content, in any way they want to abuse it. To her drafting style now, when you're more direct.
Okay. We are more specific, more direct.
So for instance, also issue was one commits offense. What does it? One commits offense if you are the corner baba.
Okay.
But by point to say, one shall not. Do you get it? One shall not.
Now, man, ambiguous kakra.
Don't say one man is specific.
Specific, yeah.
You commit this if you do A, B, C, D. Do you get it? But just that before I find say as if say, or more propagating, or more influencing. This current one, no. I be put it down, but that is not true. That one is not true. Because all her content now it still falls on advocacy. Just that a limited scope, no.
Okay.
A limited scope, no kakra. A limited and for instance, if the scope had not been limited in this manner, even the current state of the law may suffer one or two constitutional challenges. What does it? It may suffer one or two constitutional challenges. Because I may sound controversial, but you can't society on any culture, society, our values, any static, dynamic. First, could be say mini skirt and I'm kidding. I have two so
yes, no.
Yes, and better. Obviously, because in any few, some people may even commend it.
What comes? I'm aware.
I'm going to say, what share in society, and nobody assessor over the time, over the period, assessor. And the culture and static. Culture is not static. It will get to a time. I didn't everyone. It will be the norm. A good father once, former president, good father once said, it's bound to
happen with time.
People were just almost the politics were trying to put what he was trying to say.
Yeah.
It's that first of all, can you tell me the way we are talking about it? But now we are talking about it. And one thing is that the young ones that is coming are more liberal than the old ones that are going. What is it? And what's the proper comfort? Proper comfort. And so, for instance, our criminal libel law, our criminal libel law. A time came, we thought that was the best thing to do.
Yeah.
But another time came, we think that it was what? Horrible.
Too aggressive.
Yes. Do you get it? And that's it. Our society, just fine. A law like this, and you're ready to acquire preventing you maybe from coming in future. With this law, no, it doesn't matter how controversial it is. It is trying to at least protect one or two values of our Ghanaian society. Say, we the values we the dear to us, and for that matter, we want to protect it even in future. So a Drago, and those other stuff.
Yeah.
So what time you know you?
Cha.
But no, like I said, it was playing a key role in society. It was doing ABC, but today is it still there? So Bravo had in value, remember?
Yeah.
I want value. Circumcision. I want value.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
But Opa, 100 years ago, you could catch an anonymous say, Bravo flow. But this time, that would have been a huge debate over that time.
Now, yet to tribal marks in you.
Exactly. But let me say, culture, the dynamic. A space and time, and a shading by the year. Because you go to a time and now and go for the community worry. Now, worry, I would say the restrictions were too much. But then,
and say, are you for any? I sorry, be your mom paying for no more, and they say, so much me worry.
Exactly. And you know, like I'm saying, fine. At the NDC for the campaign promise, say when they come, they will sign into law. And perhaps now they've signed into law. So, NPP, you must try to counter it in a manner to say, I don't know, I'm the fake in Abba, and papa, to the extent that they're back with till the electoral value, to hold the electoral value down. What is it? But they're only excessive partisan politics.
Yeah.
Let's take the thing for what it is. However, like we said earlier, there's an element of deception. Straight away. That one, no two ways about that. However, see your objective this is better. This is better than the old one. So everyone may say, okay, if we have given the time, we would have done something what? That would have been better than what is this even right now. Than the way we were trying to rush it. As if say NDC when they were in opposition, even when the country is burning, as a season fun. The most important thing is let's say more the power. But no power, no better. They say more. You are coming to suffer.
That's what you're going to inherit. Yeah.
That is it. And say, for instance, we be say we be person petrol super no, and could have 22 years final politics. That's really better.
Yeah.
What I say.
Yeah.
So we don't. For instance, we got say external events has nothing to do with and for no
Yeah.
What I say. But the budget to me, but won't be lies, and govern. You can't govern with lies.
You'll be exposed.
You can't govern with lies. Because I don't know how, setting MPP for when they came in. Almost 2017, 20 things were better now.
Yeah.
Things were better.
Yeah, until the latter part where people were saying that.
And I'm going to what was the argument of ABC then? I was saying a program no more day Koshas, you know. And
yeah.
So by no 1 year, can you also say MP before
you can't continue to do politics with substantive.
Most importantly, when they say so, you're not be haircuts.
Yeah.
You say pensioners. When they discipline, one music album, have they paid them?
Yeah. No.
They are rather benefiting from the restructure. They are benefiting from it.
Yeah.
So sometimes the country must take harsh decisions. What I say, but music album day. So I'll go out and demonstrate. But at least you have to be honest with what man they deserve honesty. Then so you say it with all the objectivity it requires. And I mean what?
Yeah.
I don't say or conform say you say only Tinubi. They get it. When things are expensive for us, it never affect you. As we are talking right now, we be who or conform not. Because when you see can train nobody else could train as here. What I say? Check out the uncle which my papa ye. Nanka ne baby uncle that they are wrong count for that. The person couldn't afford it. But man afford it. These are the things government should be paying attention to. What I say? And because a party it doesn't matter how you rule. When the people are fed up with you, you will go. It doesn't matter what you think you are doing. It doesn't matter.
It's the prerogative of the people.
Exactly. And we shouldn't think as if the voters no money answer. We shouldn't think as if no money answer. As if said the over canon or mono here to like inform how they are supposed to take their decisions. And I never quite saw here say the so-called neutrals, the so-called neutrals, because we are neutral. No. But we try to be what?
Objective.
Like, objective.
Yeah.
Say, and it's a matter of principle. Say, what's Nanya, if today is good, tomorrow, and if it's good, it must be good. You must talk about it.
Yeah.
So, genuinely, because sometimes, will be businessman, be or party, expecting a retention, now, why young guys are more TikTok and Facebook posting as if for denigrating people.
Yeah.
And baby, I was a process you rule. Process never be rule.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, because the ones can be power.
Yeah.
The ones can and you didn't answer. Oh, that's all. Who got no answer than when yes,
when yes, can I can't search it.
But certain things happen. But it's unfortunate because we have been listening to the narratives from especially the NPP side.
Thank you. Thank you. I think you've never made
it. I think the law never buy I did a time pending your markup as the other. And when you leave your free, be honest and analyze the law the way it is. Yes, it is true. But all this is all the time, they made us believe that no, down there, Papa. Hey, this not bad. Immediately, I might implement it. What does it? I told you by I say,
would you always say
and even with the law now, with the law now, NDC could have simply said that. You perceive you have a tray. It's a shame, Rano. Even crown your buy, you say, they do okay, rich man, better. What does it? So that is why we are taking our time to make it better. And yes, because they say bread and butter is the most important matters right now. And he said that it's like, as if somebody say, Omona, who use so many emotions. Especially,
you've used them.
Yes, especially the religious community. As if somebody said the same you, answer. But I say, when they were thinking that bread and butter issue, but bread and butter, it doesn't grow on trees.
I think even Reverend Intim says at the time when they will come and get bread and butter, I mean Ghanaians are concerned about bread and butter, but when at that time more opposition or Kasande were Ghanaians, so we're fed.
We still have those bread and butter. $1.50.
Yeah.
No, this was the time we should be talking about bread and butter.
Yeah.
Not enough. We'll say the economic figures are doing what? Good. For that matter, we should bread and butter issue. Is at the extent. Yes, that's
Laya Darkwa, your shop means your Ode Akahon, I'm going for you. There's anything I will come to you.